Dear student, very warm good morning all of you. In this video we will see 7.4 and 7.5 because both are the multiply exercise. First question is fill up. You can do very easily, no problem will be there. Second question, see that multiply. That first part 3.4 by 4. So similarly you will be multiply as usual, you know that very well, and then 4 4 ja 16 and then carry 1, 4 3 ja 12 and then decimal you will be put like this. And then we can see that third part also 3.004 by 4. So 3.004 multiply by 4. So 4 4 ja 16, 4 0 0, 1 carry, 4 0 ja 0 and then decimal 4 3 ja 12. And then fourth part also we will see 0.34 by 4. So that solution will be 0.34 multiply by 4. 4 4 ja 16, carry 1, 4 ja 12, 1, 13 and then decimal. This will become decimal. Question number 3, that first part multiply, that first part is 825 decimal 32 multiply by 245. Okay, so this one also you will be do same 3 2 and then 245 multiply and then after 5 2 ja 10, 5 3 15, 1 16, 5 5 25, 1 26 and then 5 to 10 to 12, 5 8 ja 40 and 1 41 and then 4 2 ja 8, 4 3 ja 12, 4 5 ja 20 and 1 21, 4 2 ja 8, 2 10, 4 8 ja 32 and 1 33. Then after 2 2 ja 4, 2 3 ja 6, 2 5 ja 10, 2 2 ja 4, 1 5, 2 16 and then after 0 8 6 14. Then after you are looking the decimal and then 6 to 8 for 12 1 13, 6 1 7 8 9 10 0 carry 1 1 1 2 and then 5 3 8 4 12 6 3 9 1 10 and then like this you will be do. And then we will see other part also, that one, see the last part, no problem will be there. Fourth part, other part you can do very easily, 4 to 4 decimal 16 multiply by 185. So how that will be? Solve 4 to 4 decimal 16 multiply by 185 and then 5 6 ja 30, 5 1 ja 5 3 8 and then 5 4 ja 20, 5 2 10 2 12, 5 4 20 and 1 21 and then 8 6 ja 48, carry 4, 8 1 ja 8 4 12, carry 1, 8 4 32 33, carry 3, 8 2 16, 3 19, carry 1, 8 4 32, 1 33 and then double cross by 1 6 1 4 2 4 and then 0 8 8 16, carry 1 and then decimal is coming in vertically, that one 6 to 8 1 9, 3 3 6 14, carry 1 to 8, that is 7 And then second question or next exercise 7.5 is also easy, and then similar also. Something difference will be here, very minor difference will be here. So see that find the product. First one, that 86.2 multiply 0.23. So similarly we will multiply 86.2 multiply by 0.23. 3 2 जा 6, 3 6 जा 18, 3 8 जा 24 and 1 25. 2 2 जा 4, 2 6 जा 12, 2 8 जा 16, 1 17. Similarly we will add 6, 12, 8, 9, 1. Now how you will put the decimal? After decimal, 1 digit is here and 2 digit is here. It means total digit are 3. So we will count from here last 1 2 3. So that will be put the decimal here. And then second one is equal to, second one you can do third part, fourth part. See that fourth part, 8.62 multiply 0.23. Similarly this one also we will do 8.62 multiply by 0.23. 3 2 ja 6, 3 6 ja 18, 3 8 ja 24, 1 25. Every number is same looking. 2 2 ja 4, 2 6 ja 12, 2 8 ja 16, 1 17. And then 6 2 5 3 8 9 1. And then after decimal digit we will count. Here 2 digit, here 2 digit. It means 4 digit are there. 4 digits, so we will count from here 1 2 3 4 and put the decimal here. See one more part here. Last part, that one 6, 0.862 multiply by 0.023. Similarly we will multiply 0.862 0.023. Okay, now multiply will be same because number is same, 2586 and then 1724 and then 8 will be also come same, that will be 6 2 8 9 1. And then we will count the digits after decimal. That's 1 2 3 1 2 3. It means 6 digit. So we will count from here 1 2 3 4 5 digit only is here. So we will put the first of all 0. Now that is a 6 digit, 1 2 3 4 5 6, and then this one 0 come naturally. And then second question fill up, you can do, no problem, will be here also. And then third question multiply. This is also not difficult type of question. 7 8 decimal 03 by 2.24. So solution 7 8 decimal 03 multiply 2.24 and then 4 3 ja 12, 4 8 ja 32, 4 8 ja 32, 4 7 ja 28, 3 31, 2 3 ja 6, 2 0 ja 0, 2 8 ja 16, 2 7 ja 14, 1 15. Then after double similar will become 60651 and then add. That will be 2 7 8 7 5 3 8 6 14 and then 5 1 6 1 7 1 and then after digit decimal 1 digit 2 digit 3 digit 4 digit. So 1 2 3 4 that will become here. And then third part, second part, no problem here. Third part, also second part, because something is given here 6 decimal 067 by that 0 decimal 092. So solution 6 decimal 067 multiply by 0 decimal 092 and then 2 7 ja 14 carry 1 2 ja 12 1 13 2 6 ja 12 and then 9 7 ja 63 9 6 ja 54 54 that will be 60 and 9 6 ja 54 and then add 4 6 1 8 5 5. Then after decimal we will count 1 2 3 4 5 6 digit 1 2 3 4 5 6 digit. So that will become here. And then last part also we can see that fourth part 271 decimal 9 by 0 decimal 678. Solution. Two 7 1 decimal 9 multiply by 0 decimal 678. We will write in the vertically form 8 7 6 decimal 0 multiply 8 9 ja 72 7 is carry 8 1 ja 8 7 15 carry 1 8 7 ja 56 157 carry 5 8 was 16 5 21 and then after by 7 7 9 ja 63 carry 6 7 1 ja 7 6 13 carry 1 7 is 49 50 carry 5 7 2 ja 14 5 19 and then by 6 6 9 ja 54 carry 5 6 1 ja 6 5 11 carry 1 6 7 ja 42 43 carry 4 6 2 ja 12 4 16 and then add 2 8 14 3 and then 9 to 11 13 14 9 to 11 12 13 14 and then 6 1 7 1 8 by carry and then 1 and then decimal digit we will count 1 digit 2 digit 3 digit 4 digit. So 1 2 3 4 digit we will count and then put the decimal. Okay.